Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make icing sugar at home. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I walk you through. So the first ingredient I have here is granulated sugar. This is half cup of granulated sugar. So I'll be pouring this into a mill and we'll be milling this sugar till finely milled, if there's anyone like that. So let's mill the sugar. So at this point, I'll be adding half teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch. And I'll continue to mill. So this is a homemade icing sugar. For the lumps, you can just use spoon to press, down the lumps, and it goes into powder. So make sure you mill the sugar very well. So as you guys can see, it's just easy to make with your icing, sugar, and your corn flour. You're good to go. And you can get this ingredients from the baking store, both the sugar and the cornstarch or corn flour. So guys, that's basically it. Just come up with this in your house and you have your icing sugar. So this is it. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.